In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Trust Wallet not showing your balance. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some straightforward steps to resolve it. It's important to remember that dealing with cryptocurrency wallets requires caution, especially when it comes to sensitive information like your secret phrase. So, let's begin by ensuring that you have a secure copy of your secret recovery phrase before proceeding. This is crucial because if any mishaps occur during this process, having your secret phrase safely stored will enable you to restore your wallet without any hassle. Now, let's dive into the process. Open the Trust Wallet app on your device and head over to the settings. It's critical to make sure that your Trust Wallet app is updated to the latest version. Developers continuously work on improving the app and releasing updates that can fix bugs and enhance functionality. Keeping your app updated ensures you benefit from these improvements. Once you are in the settings, navigate to the storage section. Here, you will find an option to clear data. Click on Clear Data first, and then proceed to click on Clear Cache. This step is intended to remove any temporary files or potential glitches that might be causing the balance not to show. After clearing the data and cache, go back to your Trust Wallet and log in again with your credentials. Upon logging back in, check to see if your balance is visible. In many cases, this simple clearing of data and cache resolves the issue. If your balance is still not showing, don't panic. There is one more avenue to pursue, and that is reaching out to Trust Wallet customer support. They are equipped to help with any persistent issues and can provide further troubleshooting steps or escalate the matter if required. Throughout this process, it's essential to handle your secret recovery phrase carefully and never share it with anyone. Your secret phrase is the key to accessing your wallet, and keeping it secure ensures your assets remain protected. Remember, the solutions we've discussed here should help bring your balance back to display correctly, but your safety and security should always be the priority. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fixing the issue of Trust Wallet not displaying your balance. If you followed these instructions and still experience difficulties, contacting the support team is a wise next step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and happy trading.